Hi guys, right, starting off here just on my trade pile, first video, poor quality, I'm on my phone so mind the poor quality I'm afraid, so I'm just gonna start off with a 7.5k gold pack. So yeah, my luckies, thought I'd come out and share them. The last time I got one, I got an Ozil, which is very good for my team, which fits him very well. Yeah. Oh, yes. A Petr check. That's good. In and on. Played against him in form on Team of the Week. Kept on scoring against me on the Fletcher, which is good. Oh, this is good. All the rest is discard, which is what I do. Cheers for watching this video. Subscribe. First video, so comment anything please. First video. Cheers.